Now you're watching MMB News with me, Anggu Nastiti. And now MMB News is very special. Why? Because we have 3 guests from Toyohashi University of Technology.
Right.
Okay, our college, Electronic Engineering Polytechnic Institute of Surabaya, is visited by the professors from the Toyohashi University of Technology, Japan. Okay, before of all, I would like to introduce our guests. From my right, Mr. Sekino, and in the middle is Mr. Nakauchi, and then Mazda.
Hi.
Okay. Firstly, I want to ask you about how is your day in Surabaya? It is very nice, or?
It was extremely nice.
Well, it's very nice. How about the weather?
In the beginning, we said that was rainy season,
Yeah.
which wasn't true, but now we realize it was rainy.
Yeah. How about Mr. Nakauchi?
Yes, a little bit wet and a little bit hot.
Yeah.
And now big heavy rain.
So different with Japan?
Yes, but I like it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I was also surprised to the heavy rain.
Oh. Now I want to ask you about your opinion about our college, Mr. Mazda.
So my research area is material science, and especially for the electronic and electrical application. This is a good chance to and a good opportunity to visit and meet our important professors and students.
Yeah.
I'm very now happy to be here.
For Mr. Nakauchi, maybe.
Yes, we have visited several laboratories and we are so impressed by the very good facilities for the experiment and also computers and very good students, and we are very pleased to know that.
Yeah. And how about the development technology in this campus, Mr.? Is it similar to the campus in Japan, especially Toyohashi University?
Indeed, in our university, although we are also meant to be very practical compared to pure scientific faculty, but still comparing to yours, we are much more, abstract oriented. We visited several laboratories and so amazed that you guys can create things really concretely in such a level of your manufacturing level.
Okay. I wanna ask you, maybe you can could you tell me about the difference education quality between our campus and Toyohashi University of Technology, Mr.
So I think basically essentially the same. The education system and the quantity and quality is essentially same as to those of in our university. I think.
And what about the planning to make a relationship with this college, Mr. Nakauchi?
Sorry.
The planning to make relationship with our college.
Future.
Yeah, future.
Yes, we are actually the head of our group. So Professor Inoue has been in Surabaya, I think more than 10 years, 20 years?
17.
Right.
17 years ago.
And he said that we have many ways to collaborate with each other, and your students, you guys can come to Japan, also our lecturer or professor can come here to give some lectures or seminars, and yes, I believe there are many ways for collaboration.
Okay. For the last question, maybe what's your advice for the Polytechnic so that we can follow the trend of technology development? Like in Japan, the development technology is very fast, I think.
You repeat the question, I'm not so sure about.
Oh, okay. For the last question, what is your advice for this college? Advice. Suggestion for this college.
Well, so far I'm so overwhelmed, so I don't think I can have advice. I'm not in this position, I would probably be advised.
Mr.
Yeah. we in Japan we have 4 very beautiful seasons, and each season have a very for example festival and flowers. So I welcome all the EEPIS students and professors to our university. That's my opinion.
Mr. Nakauchi.
Yes, so just keep going on, and so far, and also I hope your students and also our students in Japan can collaborate someday.
Okay, I hope that
Yeah.
will be true. Okay, thank you very much for visiting our studio, and thanks for making the time for interview with TVMMB. Have a nice day in Surabaya, and once more, arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our interview with Mr. and Mr. Professor from Toyohashi University. And I'm Aguna Siti. This is the end of MMB News. Goodbye.
Education, technology, culture, news, tvmmb, the greatest digital channel.